Greek yogurt, protein yogurt. This has 50 grams of protein. Hi guys, I have come home after almost 1 week, and that's a lot because my home visits have become a little less frequent because I'm no more less than 5 minutes away from my parents' house, right? So that's that. But I was asked to rush here because we had to select curtains today. So there was this guy who had come with like a bunch of selections, and we have chosen a few. But there's more discussion that is yet to happen, and Guru and Mummy are resting. This TV we have nikala hai because they have not done the finishing of that wall really well. There's some cleaning to do, so Nikhil is doing that. Yeah, it feels nice. It's kind of quiet here, at least right now. But it was really satisfying to film a video today here. Okay, I was waiting to do that. I finally managed to do that. So I filmed the video on all of my Hyphen sunscreens, all of the Hyphen sunscreens that they have, and yeah, I could use 2 different locations for filming, which was quite convenient and quite exciting really. So yep, it's weekend, it's a Saturday evening. Nikhil and I have a date. We are going to Bellandur Social today because we could not celebrate our anniversary, which was on 20th, and both of us were working. I think Nikhil did not go to office, but he also went to office. Both of us had office that day, so we're going to take leave in the last minute, and today we will celebrate. It's kind of cold here, so I'm going to make some shin ramen. Garam maza aane wala hai, and this is also my first time cooking in this kitchen, so let's do it. By the way guys, I tried the Epigamia Turbo Greek yogurt, protein yogurt. This has 50 grams of protein. And I've tried Epigamia ka Greek yogurt, that is my go-to, but iska texture, the consistency, everything was way too thick, and flavor was of course a little bit off. So generally the Greek yogurt that I usually eat on a daily basis, it's either from Milky Mist or Epigamia, the no added sugar wala with white and blue packaging. Usme I don't feel the need to add sugar whatsoever. I just mix some seeds on top and I'm good to go. But with this one I could not have it just on itself. It's finished now, but you need to add a little something. So first I added my seeds, but even then it did not work out. The flavor profile was just weird, the texture was different. So with this I had to add a little bit of sugar for me to finish it. But this one basically gives you 13 grams of protein. So Nikhil is giving logic wahan se. The more the protein, the more thicker it will be. I know that, but I'm just saying, like from a flavor profile perspective, Nikhil, I don't mean ki why is it thicker. I mean it is thicker, and so it was a little difficult to finish. But yes. Okay, now let's get to making my shin ramen. There goes my noodle. Hi guys, I like my noodles a little soupy instead of the dry one, because it's just like 2 in 1, right? Like a soupy noodle instead of just noodles. So I'm gonna make it that way. मुंह में पानी आ गया. Let's go eat. So Nikhil and I have cancelled or postponed rather the plan of going out for dinner date because मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ से बाहर जाने का. So now Mummy, Gujju and I are going to go do some walking. Let us go. By the way, I'm loving my makeup. My makeup looks so flawless today, na guys.
Yeah. May I see how I'm looking?
Yeah, you can see where it
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
I'm not finding any pants of mine.
This is not giving walking vibes. I'm so sorry. Hello.
Surprise.
हम लोग जा रहे हैं वॉकिंग. निखिल है ऊपर. बाय बाय. 15 minutes later, we are taking a झूला break. गुड्डू कल मुझे ये वीडियो भेज के फोमो फील करा रही थी, सो आई एम लाइक forget my date. First priority is झूला पे झूलना. मम्मी हम लोगों का वीडियो ले रही है जैसे हम लोग छोटे छोटे टॉडलर्स हैं, पहली बार झूले पे बैठ रहे हैं. पर मज़ा तो आ रहा है. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हवा आती है. हिंदी करेक्ट था ना? हाँ, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा. यहाँ पे हाँ ओके. तो मज़े तो आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Going back home with a heavy heart because I didn't get my laptop here and I'm no more 5 minutes away, so I need to go and finish so much editing. But I shall be back pretty soon. Yes, यहाँ से दिखता है, क्यों नहीं दिखेगा?
गुड्डू.
Hey, 55-inch TV is being installed. आज हम लोग इसी टीवी में अपने घर का व्लॉग देखेंगे. गृह प्रवेश वाला व्लॉग. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट रेडी.
वीडियो लिया गया अपनी तरफ.
Gudu, how was your first productive gym session with me?
It was really good and it was
really
fun.
good. It was fun, and when I saw us both doing it in sync, और भी मज़ा आ गया. I just need to get all my gym clothes here because I'm currently exercising in bodysuit from H&M, which is really weird. और मम्मी in the meanwhile was walking. Hi cutie.
Hi.
आपको भी आना था, बड़ा मज़ा आया.
अच्छा से की नाच.
जी, आज हम लोग एक प्रॉपर रूटीन फॉलो किए एज अपोज टू जस्ट रैंडमली कुछ भी करना. This is our life right now, opening packages constantly, but it's a little special when it's from IKEA. Let us see. What all have you ordered, Miss Guju?
What do you think this is?
This is hand wash holder. That very soft. What is it called?
Soap dispenser.
Soap dispenser.
See? So premium.
Yeah. It's very soft. Like it's very tactile and soft, which is nice.
What is tactile?
Tactile, I think, is जो तुम्हें touch करने में मज़े आए. Okay, so we have 3 of this, I think. Nice.
This is tissue holder. Right?
Yeah. So I have a box style which is fancy, but then it takes up a lot of space. So I suggested कि we buy this sleek design. Nice. Really pretty. We have 2 towel which Guddu will open, and coasters.
Yeah.
What is this?
That is coaster. This is for placing hot stuff.
Oh yeah. To prevent our quads from dying and burning and disorienting.
Damaging.
The way you looked at me, I knew you were going to correct me. My words are just not rolling today. I don't know why.
is good.
Curtain installment is in progress. Hi guys, it's 24th or basically Christmas Eve, and Guddu really wanted some Christmas decor. She doesn't know that we have done this, but aaj mummy and I went to West Side store, bought this Christmas tree and have decorated. So let's call her out and show her and surprise her. अच्छा लगा? Yes. आपने गेसेस किए थे जब मैं आपको लाइट के बारे में पूछ रही थी तब?
मुझे लगा तू कुछ सेटअप करेगी, but I didn't expect a Christmas tree.
I know. How cute, na? Beautiful. Hey guys, Merry Christmas everyone. I know you guys will be watching this. I don't know when, but still, Merry Christmas. So it's currently 5 p.m. and before this, Christmas was pretty much everything you generally do when you don't really celebrate Christmas. So for example, having a plum cake, hot chocolate, Christmas movies. But we are really excited this year because of course, any celebration, any event happening for the first time in our new home is just super exciting in general. So today we are going a little extra mile. We are hosting my in-laws, so they will be here in another half an hour to 1 hour. So I'm all ready. I'm gonna go do some decor. Well, it's already done. I just have to place it in the right place. And also I have bought like a bunch of snacks and cookies and cakes and things like that. So let's get going. Before that, I'm just having my protein shake because आज मैंने मेरा lunch ऐसे 5 minutes में ख़त्म कर लिया because I was getting late and now I'm not really feeling full. So instead of again snacking on something really unhealthy, I'm gonna have my dose of protein. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, this is the protein I take. Muscle Blaze Biozyme Performance Whey. I've never had a problem with this. My tummy, even though it's quite sensitive, has handled this very well. I thought I'll vlog a little क्योंकि मैं बीच में vlog करना भूल गई. मुझे बहुत गंदी वाली सर्दी हो गई है and I was feeling kind of feverish और फिर बीच में पसीना आ रहा था and then I had worst headache. तो बीच में I had to rely on my trusty steamer and now I'm feeling a little better. So I thought before I remove my makeup, I'll just like talk to you guys about today. You guys must have seen the video where I bought and surprised my sister with cute little tree, and then uske around हमने बहुत सारे photos खींचे. I'll post a few here probably. And we had good food, डांस वांस हो रहा था नीचे, सारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे डांस कर रहे थे, तो मज़ा आया. मतलब आई थिंक याद रहेगा अब हम लोगों को, अगर हम नेक्स्ट ईयर से ना भी मनाए तो इट वॉज क्वाइट नाइस. अच्छा छोटा नाइस क्यूट सेलिब्रेशन. बट समथिंग दैट आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग वॉज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम H&M. I did not get anybody gifts क्योंकि I don't know, I mean it was just our first time. It was a low-key celebration, but Nikhil gifted me this gorgeous tote bag. I love this. The size on this is so perfect. I mean, the reason why I don't invest in tote bags is I just don't find the right size. You know what I mean? Like they're either too big or they are just not the perfect size. Like something you wouldn't really carry it for day-to-day purpose. But I think this one is just perfect. I like the hardware detail. Oh my god, I'm so stuffy. I'm so sorry. But I really like the hardware detail on this. I like this whole design happening. It gives a very effortless look to this whole bag. पीछे ऐसा कुछ design है. I think this comes in a black color also. Now I'm gonna take off my makeup, take some steam, and then go to bed.